Hello, good people. Let's make this cowrie shell and denim ring. I'm going to use 12 gauge aluminum wire to make my base. Of course, I'm going to use a cowrie shell and a denim blank from my 9-pair denim blank set. And I have the usual tools, the cutter, the round nose, the flat nose, and then my little hook nose that I like to use. I'm using this round stick. I have a ring mandrel, but I just want to show you that you don't have to have a ring mandrel to do this. And I'm going to use some super glue. All right, let's get to it. I'm using my super glue to attach my cowrie shell to my denim blank. Now I'm going to cut about 12 inches of my 12 gauge aluminum wire. And I may not need that much, but I'd rather have too much than too little. I'm going to take my round nose pliers and put it in the middle of the wire, and I'm going to turn one end around, and then the other end of the wire I'm going to bend the opposite way, and then I'm going to take the other end around, and then I'm going to have the wire to kind of follow each other until we make a spiral that's going to be big enough to be the base. Now that I have my base, I'm going to make my ring part. I'm going to wrap the wire around the ring base and to start my design. Now I'll take my round nose pliers and I will start to wrap the wire in a spiral. This ring is going to be adjustable. just to add to my design, I'm going to hammer the wire a little bit. I'm using the round end of the ball peen hammer because I like the way that the wire looks when you use the round end. I didn't really size this ring for my finger, so it's a little bit small, but I'm going to see if I can make it work. And it is adjustable, but it will change the design a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue to my base and then attach my denim and cowrie. Now I see that when I attached my cowrie, I didn't cover up the hole that's already in the denim blank, but that's okay. I adjusted it to fit my hand, so the design is a little bit different, but it's still nice. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We are interested in helping you make money with your jewelry if that is what you desire to do. We have our Hobby to Hustle community on the school platform, and we invite you to join us. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, let me know where you're watching from. Any comment really helps the channel. It helps YouTube to send it out to more people, and it helps encourage me to keep making more videos. So we just really appreciate all of our subscribers and people who always watch our videos. You have really been a blessing to us. All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.